Welcome to the Justin G Academy. I'm Justin, and I'm here to help you love yourself and others. You're here because you're done with mixed signals, and that's good. So for the next 7 days, we end the situationship. Clean, calm, and with your dignity intact. I'm speaking to men and women here. No villains, no heroes, just two people who never defined it. And now, it's eating your peace. You see, God isn't the author of confusion, so we must move forward with clarity. Here's a truth no one wants to say. A situationship survives on indecision. It feeds on maybe, late night check-ins, and just enough chemistry to keep you from asking for commitment. Now that's not romance. That's drift. Drift steals years. Family and purpose require decisions. You don't stumble into a healthy home. You build it with boundaries. So what's the plan? 7 days. No contact. Not as a trick to make them chase you. This isn't emotional chess. It's a reset to protect your attention. And attention is the front door to your life. When you plug the leaks, your peace comes back. Your standards come back. And your future opens up again. So day 1 is the line in the sand. You send one final message if and only if you've never been clear. Keep it short, keep it kind. Say, I've realized I want a defined relationship with shared values. If that's not where you are, I'm stepping back. And I wish you the best. That's it. No essays, no courtroom, just simple. And then you mute, archive, and step away. You don't block unless there's disrespect or boundary violations. Because blocking is a lock, and muting is a fence. And fences are for adults who can still talk later if values align. Now day 2. You move your body. Anxiety looks for a screen, so don't give it one. Do a hard workout or a long walk without music for a portion. Let your nervous system discharge the restless energy that used to sprint to your phone. You aren't quitting love, you're quitting confusion. So when the urge to check hits, remember, cravings are waves. Breathe through it, don't surf it. Day 3, you audit your standards. Write 3 non-negotiables and 3 nice-to-haves. Non-negotiables are values and behaviors like faith, alignment, integrity, family-ready character, so follow through. Nice-to-haves, their style, hobbies, vibe. And the problem with situationship is we treat vibe like it's a value. But vibes fade. Values raise children. For day 4, you replace the phone habits with real input. Read a chapter of Proverbs or any wisdom text you trust. Call someone who loves you enough to tell you the truth. Eat a meal at a table, not the couch. Sleep on time. Discipline, it's faster than healing. Every small promise you keep to yourself rebuilds your self-respect. And self-respect, it's magnetic. Day 5, you walk through what-if stories and cut the strings. What if they call you? What if I'm too picky? What if I never find someone like them? That last one is scarcity talking. You will find someone like them because there are many people just like them. The question is, will you choose someone who shares your mission, or will you choose someone who consumes your time? Attraction is common. Alignment is rare. So choose rare. For day 6, decide your door. 2 doors, only one opens. Door 1. If they reach out with clarity, say, I want an actual relationship with you, and here's what that looks like. Here's my plan. You could set a coffee date and discuss expectations. Not a 1 a.m. visit. Not, let's see where this goes. Clarity speaks in commitments and calendars. In door 2, if they reach out with crumbs, like miss you, you up, come through, or guilt flips, stay silent. Stay silent. You taught people how to treat you by what you allowed. Now you teach them again. And on day 7, you choose your future out loud. Say it. Say, I'm a husband in training. I'm a wife in training. Speak identity over behavior. Then you act like it. You date with purpose. You screen with kindness. And you leave with respect when values don't match. You don't punish people for not wanting what you want. And you don't punish yourself by staying where you're not wanted. Mercy and truth together. That's grown-up love. So let's address the hard parts quickly. Chemistry is real, history is heavy, and silence is loud. You will be tempted to check on them, but notice what happens when you stop feeding the uncertainty. Your sleep improves, your workouts sharpen, your friends get the real you again. You actually remember your mission. It's your nervous system calming down because you finally removed a constant maybe. You see, God gave you power, love, and a sound mind. And sound minds make sound choices. So for the men, relieve yourself of the idea that pursuit means self-abandonment. Pursuit means clarity and leadership, not begging. If she's unsure after months, take the hint with honor. Your purpose is not a consolation prize. It's the engine of your household. A man with boundaries creates safety. Women respond to truth, not tactics. For the woman, your heart is valuable. So stop financing potential with your peace. If a man wants you, he moves with intention. If he's in therapy, growing, and still not ready, bless him and step aside. You're not a rehab center for inconsistent attention. You are a partner for a man who protects time, guards his eyes, and leads with service. Maybe you're thinking, but the good ones are rare. That's true. So become rare yourself. Rare people are attracted to rare standards. And that's a filter you could use in real life. It will narrow your options down and enrich your life. Fewer dates, better dates, more peace. Family-grade loves prefer small doors. And where does faith land in all this? Right in the center. Love is patient and kind, but love also tells the truth. Christ healed people, and then he said, go and sin no more. That means grace and standards. So extend your grace to yourself for past confusion. Forgive the person who couldn't choose you, and then set standards that honor your future family. Honor the future family you'll lead or co-lead. Guard your heart, not by hiding it, but by pointing it. If you're hurting right now, you're not weak. You're human. And grief is the price of meaning. Let it pass through you. But don't let grief drive the car. Let it ride shotgun while purpose holds the wheel. 7 days is enough to turn the ship. It won't erase history, but it will reset momentum. After that, keep going. Date in daylight, make plans, honor your commitments, and tell the truth faster. Because clarity is mercy. So this is what I want you to do. Delete the thread, mute the notifications, write your 3 non-negotiables, Text a friend to lift with you tomorrow. And when loneliness whispers, answer back with action. Read, pray, train, call, sleep. Discipline over dopamine. Purpose over panic. Family over fantasy. And 7 days from now, you won't become a different person. You'll become the person you were before the confusion. That's the real you. Choose that. If this resonated with you, write in the comments, silent W. So you're choosing peace over confusion. And if this helped, subscribe and share with your friends and family. I'll keep giving you practical steps to build a life where love has a home. And always remember, motivation fades, discipline lasts. God bless.